Welcome to the show again. It's your boy, the rapping Chef Mac the Real. If you are 80s baby and you from the Caribbean, Jamaica, wherever you from in the Caribbean, you have to know what this is. What I'll be preparing for you today is a popular, aka dessert. When I was a kid, I love it. I'll be showing you how to make a plantain tart right after the intro.
Perfect.
Alright, welcome back. So, give you a little history on the plantain tart. It's a popular dessert back home. A lot of families put together for parties and sleepovers and stuff like that. To start off with it, this is a very easy item. So for this item, this is what you're gonna need to start. So we're gonna start with our pastry dough. You're gonna add the salt and the butter to the flour, and what you wanna do, you want to incorporate both. I add a quarter cup, actually ice water to it, and I stir that in and mix it to get my dough. We're gonna set that aside for a little bit. So now you're gonna work on your filling. So you're gonna need two plantain in this one. It's hard to get fresh ripe plantain, so I got some frozen plantain. You're gonna crush the plantain with a fork, add the vanilla extract and the sugar, dices of butter to it. You're gonna add your crushed plantains in a pot, add the red food coloring to it, cook it for 2 minutes and let it cool aside. You're gonna press your dough and cut them into quarters. It depends on what size you can. You don't have to follow me. You can cut your pastry smaller and make little pockets if you want to. You're gonna roll out your dough flat. You don't want your dough to be, you want your dough to at least be, have a little height to it when you press it, so you don't want to press it too thin. And what I do, I use a bowl, cut out a circle. You can use something smaller, cut it out. I whip some eggs, and what I did with the eggs, I use it to seal each end of the dough, and I use a fork and I pressed to seal it in. Also, it looks presentable. I brushed it with a little egg, and then I pop it in my micro oven for about 30 minutes. You can keep your oven at 300 or 350. Sprinkle some sugar on there, some crystal sugar. The Rapping Chef bio is coming soon, so look out for that. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and share, like the video. The Rapping Chef, big up yourself, you know what I'm saying?